Hey, how's it going? So I recently ran into an issue with my radios that are connected to this wall plug. And after doing a little research, I figured out that the LED bulbs that I bought at Costco are the culprit. So here's the issue. I'll show you what I got. Okay, so we just got this cool old radio. And when you turn it on, you get killer sound once it warms up. Ooh, radio. Here it goes.
And I'm sure it will be no stranger to anybody
Okay.
who knows. Well, I say it's our
Let's see
great
here.
privilege and your great privilege to see and hear Mr. John Lennon.
When you turn on the lights in the kitchen, ton of static. Clean and clear. Static. Clean and clear. The way I tested this is I unscrewed the bulbs so that they're not working. I left the light switch on, as you can see, by the light right over our cooktop. Now when I turn on the radio, I have nice clean sound, even with the light switch on. Yes, it takes a little while, but it's worth it. See? Nice clean sound whether the switch is on or off now. So I tried something else. I swapped out those LED bulbs with these ones that we had from Home Depot. These EcoSmart 60 watt bulbs. They're on special at Home Depot. I think they're, I don't know, 12 bucks, 15 bucks, something like that. But interestingly enough, when I turn on the lights, we have no static, which is pretty indicative that the LEDs that I had before were garbage.
The following is based on a true story.
And this one's crystal clear too.
This can't be happening.
So there you have it.
Friends are coming over this evening and the
Go to
city
Home
is
Depot.
clogged.
Buy the EcoSmarts, not the cheapos at Costco.
Still backing up.
Alright, as it turns out, these are the culprits. These LED lights that we bought at Costco. They say conserve energy, 13 watt, 120 VAC, 60 hertz. These bad boys, once you take them all out, the static goes away. So looks like I'll be replacing these.